Namaskar. I am back. This time with information relating to the most trending topic, Corona or COVID-19 as we would like to call it. There was this man who was getting ready to leave for a prayer meet at the local community center. Just then, his 5-year-old grandson came running, grabbed his hand and declared almost in an authoritative manner, "I am coming." The man knew that this child is too small to know any prayers. So he asked casually, "What will you do after coming there, beta? You do not know any prayer." The child dismissively answered, "I am coming." The man held his grandson's hand and proceeded to leave. After reaching the community center, the man offered obeisance and started offering his prayers. When he opened his eyes, he saw that his grandson was busy mumbling something with his eyes closed. He waited patiently for the child to finish. This wait lasted for a full 5 minutes. After coming out of the community center, the man curiously asked his grandson, "I am aware that you do not know any prayers. What were you mumbling?" The child, with a sparkle in his eyes, replied, "I recited full A to Z 5 times and told God that I do not know any prayers. You take these alphabets and make whatever prayer you want to make, and bless me." The man was pleasantly surprised with tears in his eyes. In this story, the community center is our earth. The prayer meet is our life. The child is homeopathy, and the alphabets are the symptomatic treatments that homeopathy offers. See, whether we name a disease in whichever way we want, SARS, Corona, diabetes, heart disease, whatever it may be, every disease manifests itself in the form of symptoms. And homeopathy has been known to have mastery in symptom-specific treatments, irrespective of the diagnosed medical condition. What has been known till now is that coronavirus disease or COVID-19 is an infectious disease caused by the SARS-CoV-2 virus. It has been noted by WHO that most people infected with the virus will experience mild to moderate respiratory illness and recover without requiring special treatment. However, some will become seriously ill and require medical attention. When we talk about the symptoms, the most common symptoms of COVID-19 include fever, cough, tiredness, loss of taste or smell. Advanced research and developments in the field of homeopathy has proven it to be an effective line of treatment for such acute complaints. The less common symptoms of corona include sore throat, headache, aches and pains, diarrhea, a rash on the skin or discoloration of fingers or toes, and red or irritated eyes. Again, symptomatic treatments of homeopathy come into full-fledged play as not everyone gets the same set of symptoms after contracting coronavirus infection. Instead of having a one-size-fits-all mode of therapy, homeopathy offers personalized symptom-specific treatments so that you get the benefit of warding off your individual health issues. Coronavirus also causes some serious problems like difficulty breathing or shortness of breath, loss of speech or mobility, or confusion and chest pain. Homeopathy helps you in alleviating symptoms associated with the infection. Homeopathy may prove helpful for people experiencing difficulty in breathing, either as a treatment for an acute attack or as a longer-term therapy for reducing the number or severity of attacks, decreasing the need for medications, and so on. See, there is enough research today to show that homeopathic treatment removes temporary obstruction to the oxidation of the blood by simulating and stimulating respiratory centers, thus assisting the process of oxidation as well as excretion of carbonic acid from the system. Homeopathy has medicines which are effective even in the cases of loss of speech, whether it is sudden total loss or voiceness. It acts your voice by helping in reducing the inflammation, getting rid of the feeling of irritation in throat, controlling the infection, giving strength to the vocal cords, strengthening the larynx, and getting sound, refreshing sleep so that your body gets enough rest and time to recover. When your joints tend to become rigid, you get the feeling of pain and stiffness in the joints, which results in reduced mobility. Homeopathy has treatments which specifically act on your musculoskeletal system and help in reducing the stiffness, swelling, puffiness, and crackling of joints. If you remember, if you ever had this type of talk in your house, you would have noticed and heard your elderlies talking to each other that giving lubrication to the joints is necessary so that they do not experience joints pain. This lubrication, in layman's terms, is actually this substance called proteoglycan, which is normally produced by your body. It is present in your joint cartilages. Its role is to absorb stress and strain and keep the joints mobile. The levels of proteoglycan can get imbalanced due to various reasons. Homeopathic treatment seeks to help your body maintain the levels of proteoglycan and thus assist you in getting rid of joint immobility. We need to understand this is a simple fundamental thing, that being on homeopathic treatment for any health issue helps your immune response to fight invasions. Invasions, I am calling this because any infection is a type of an invasion on your systems by organisms. Homeopathy makes your body systems well equipped to override the attack, protect your body, and keep the functioning of your body at optimum levels. Hope this information shared here brings some sanity and peace to the constant state of fear and confusion that the current pandemic has brought. Taking care of yourself in this unpredictable world of unhealthy habits has never been easier. Homeopathy today assures you of an excellent opportunity to take informed decisions and work towards bringing health back to life. That's all I need to share. I will be back with something as important. Until then, wish you lots of happiness and good health. Take care.